Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and selecting a template that matches your audience. Choose 16, 9 for screens. Next, import your core content titles, 3-5 bullets per slide, and images at 150-300 dpi so everything scales. Once done, create a rough deck order: title, overview, body, conclusion. Make sure to set the master slide fonts and colors now, because it saves time later and keeps consistency across slides. This prevents manual fixes, slide by slide. Now you build each slide with purpose. One idea per slide, short headlines and supporting visuals. Use the slide master to lock fonts, footers, and logo placement so changes propagate. When adding content, align elements on a 1/3 grid and keep contrast high for readability. Once an element is placed, preview animations, use appear or fade and keep durations between 0, 5, and 1. 0 seconds to maintain pace. Make sure to save versions as you iterate, so you can revert if a change. Finish by rehearsing aloud. Use rehearsed timings and record narration if you'll present remotely. Then export a copy as PDF for handouts and embed fonts, or save a portable copy to avoid missing typography. Once done, test the deck on the actual projector or laptop you'll use. Check audio and video playback. If media fails, relink or reinsert the files and confirm codecs and local file paths. This one fix solves most playback issues and keeps your presentation smooth under pressure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.